Mina Aissatou Smile Sise, and today's here at Network at the National Emergency Operations Center concerning the COVID-19 update, where the National Emergency Response Center can give every day. And today we get the Deputy Minister of Information and Communication, Madam Mamadi Gobe, as it can give the update about the COVID-19 and also talk about some measures where the government some put in place.
Status update for COVID-19 today, Friday, 17th April 2020. Sierra Leone has recorded 11 new cases, bringing the total number of positive confirmed cases of COVID-19 to 26. All 11 cases are linked to previous confirmed cases. All cases are in the treatment facility and are doing fine. The total number of persons quarantined is 531, and 974 have been discharged from quarantine. Members of the public are encouraged to call 117 if you have fever, tiredness, and cough. The public is hereby encouraged to adhere to the following measures. Ferries will be used for transporting essential goods only. No passengers will be allowed. Boats carrying essential food items with more than 4 persons on board will not be allowed to berth at any wharf. Timber is not considered an essential item, and therefore inter-district pass will not be issued to vehicles transporting timber. The public is also advised to wash hands with soap and water frequently or use hand sanitizers. Avoid touching one's eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Cough or sneeze into their upper arm or sleeve, and avoid close contacts from others, especially in crowded areas and at social gatherings. The public is encouraged to take good care of their health to help protect against COVID-19. Take children for marklets and go to the hospital for antenatal care, safe delivery, malaria testing and treatment, and other regular care. Hospitals remain the safest place to go for health checks, treatments, and care. For more information, visit our website www.mic.gov.sl and www.dhse.gov.sl, or call the following emergency numbers: 117 099 05 8855, 088 421575, or 088 421288. Government of Sierra Leone, through the Ministry of Works and Public Assets and the Sierra Leone Roads Authority, has engaged the concessionaire of the Wellington-Mashaka Toll Road, China Railway 7th Group, to reduce the current toll tariffs paid by commuters. This move is geared towards mitigating the effects of COVID-19 on the people of Sierra Leone. The rates were divided into 5 categories. Group 1, which includes 3-wheel transport like keke, we are paying 1,000 per crossing. Now, according to the new arrangement, they pay nothing. Group 2, taxis and sedan cars, used to pay 2,000, and that remains the same. Group 3, pickups, jeeps, and minibuses, we are paying 4,000, and that still stands. Group 4, light trucks, 6 tires, we are paying 18,000, but will now pay 4,000. Group 5, heavy trucks, trailer, 10 tires, etc., we are paying 183,000, but now pay 120,000. Group 6, fuel bowsers, we are paying 100,000, but now pay 70,000 under this new arrangement. This comes into effect today, Friday, 17th April 2020, from 6 a.m. and will last for 3 months. It has now been established that the use of masks in public places by everybody is an effective means of reducing the spread of COVID-19. In light of the above, government has now made it mandatory for everyone to wear a face mask as long as you are in the public space and public transport. Government of Sierra Leone would like to commend those individuals and organizations that have been providing masks free of charge to members of the public and would like to encourage others to do likewise. In the near future, enforcement mechanisms will be put in place. So everyone is advised to make an effort to secure a face mask. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. If there are any questions, we can take them, or we can also take individual interviews after this session.
I change on the rates. So for the rates on the toll gate. So group 1, which includes 3-wheel transports like keke, we're paying 1,000 per crossing. Now, according to the new arrangement, they are not paying anything, so they pay nothing. Group 2, taxis and sedan cars used to pay 2,000, and that still remains. It's still the same. They still continue to pay 2,000. Group 3, pickups, jeeps, and mini buses were paying 4,000. That still stands. Group 4, light trucks, 6 tires, for example, were paying 18,000, but will now pay 12,000. Group 5, heavy trucks, trailers, 10 tires, etc., were paying 183,000, but they will now be paying 120,000. Group 6, fuel bowsers, were paying 100,000, but they now pay 70,000 under this new arrangement. And this comes into effect today, Friday, 17th April 2020. It has been in effect since 6 a.m. this morning. So that's the clarification that I needed to make. All right, thank you very much.
As the National Emergency Operations Center, they continue for give updates about the COVID-19 in the country. Today we get the Deputy Minister of Information and Communication, Madam Mabadi Gobe, as they can give updates about the COVID-19 and also tell you about some of the measures we government put in place. Me work out this program to not today. Me your name na Aissatou Smaisisi. Until we meet again, I say tata.